Welcome to the world's largest airplane graveyard, where aviation history comes to rest.
Located in the Arizona desert, this dry climate prevents corrosion. Every aircraft arriving here begins a careful decommissioning process. Some planes are stored temporarily, others will never fly again. Windows and engines are sealed to protect valuable components. Engines are often the most valuable part of a retired aircraft. These engines can be refurbished and reused worldwide. Each tale tells a story of thousands of flights. Fuel systems are safely drained before dismantling begins. Avionics systems are carefully removed and cataloged. Doors, landing gear, and flight controls are salvaged. Landing gear assemblies can be rebuilt and reused. Over weeks, each plane is systematically dismantled. Aluminum makes up most of the aircraft structure. Even seats and cabin materials are recycled. More than 4,000 aircraft are stored here. Materials are sorted for recycling or resale. Nothing goes to waste. Dismantling a commercial jet can take weeks of careful work. Every reusable part is scanned and cataloged. Every reusable part is scanned and cataloged. Wings are removed in sections to maximize material recovery. Hydraulic systems are safely drained and disassembled. A protective latex coating shields aircraft from sun damage. A protective latex coating shields aircraft from sun damage. This coating can preserve planes for decades. Tires and braking systems are often refurbished. Copper wiring is separated and recycled. Engine components are tested before resale. Aluminum is the most valuable recyclable material. Each aircraft is documented before final scrapping. Precision cutting ensures maximum material recovery. Once stripped, only the aluminum shell remains. Windows are removed to prevent material contamination. Many parts are resold to airlines worldwide. More than 80% of an aircraft can be recycled. These aluminum blocks are sent to be melted down. The recycled metal will become new products. This isn't just a graveyard, it's a second life for aviation. Beyond commercial jets, military aircraft are preserved here as well. Some are stored for potential future reactivation. This one's intact. Documenting it. Copy. When needed, protective coatings can be removed. The Arizona desert climate slows corrosion dramatically.
Every aircraft here is digitally tracked.
Each aircraft represents decades of global travel. Major structural sections are removed in phases.
Flight deck components are highly valuable in resale markets.
Engine parts undergo detailed inspection before reuse. Over time, entire aircraft are reduced to raw materials.
Even nose assemblies are salvaged.
Composite materials require specialized recycling. Sections beyond reuse are mechanically shredded. These fragments will be melted and reprocessed. Recycled aircraft aluminum returns to the manufacturing cycle. The recycling industry supports thousands of American jobs. Parts from retired planes keep active fleets flying. Components are shipped worldwide. This facility spans thousands of acres. It's one of the most strategic aviation sites in the United States. After valuable components are removed, only the shell remains. Final dismantling requires precision planning. Industrial plasma torches separate the remaining structure. Sections are lowered carefully to avoid structural hazards. Once complex systems now reduced to raw structure. Even massive tail assemblies are removed. Massive shears reduce the aircraft to recyclable segments. Aluminum is sorted and prepared for melting. The recycled metal will begin a new life. Within months, the plane completely disappears. Some aircraft are stored, waiting for uncertain futures. These planes once carried millions of passengers. They connected cities, families, and nations. Now they rest beneath the Arizona sun. Every aircraft has a story. And every story eventually reaches its final chapter.
This is not just a graveyard.
It's a carefully engineered system of preservation and recycling. It's a carefully engineered system of preservation and recycling. A second life for aviation built in the American desert. From sky to sand and back into industry, this is the world's largest airplane graveyard.